still rainless clouds other than a few droplets that managed to squeeze out earlier today. It is after 6 and lots of these look like they're shriveling up, and it's definitely not hot enough for the water in them to evaporate. It is after 6 o'clock. It is another dark cloudy day without precipitation, and back here you can see the flat white textured stuff that always shows up from airplanes and always precedes drying out, not evaporation, but drying out of rain clouds until they look like they're shriveling up. Here you can see the flat white textured stuff of heavy aerosol spraying from airplanes that has broken up the dark rain clouds, making it so that the rain magically disappears without falling out, and when it's not hot enough to evaporate.